Hey Royalty fam, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Shireen, but you can call me Novelty. I'm taking you behind the scenes of my custom tumbler project for Face by V. We're diving into one of my favorite parts of this process, which is designing the tumbler boxes. Now, if you've been following along, you know these tumblers will be on display and available for purchase in Face by V's beauty bar for the next 4 months. So it's important that the package not only looks professional but also reflects my brand's vibe and, of course, my style. So let's get started. Okay, fam, so here's what we're gonna do. In order to kick things off, I'm using Canva Pro to design the graphics for the boxes because Canva is such an easy to use tool, especially for projects like this. And my goal to create the designs, I want it to be clean, bold, and match Face by V's aesthetics. Once I was happy with the design, I downloaded it, and this is what it's looking like. I'm using sticker paper to apply these designs to the boxes, which makes everything look polished and professional. So, quick check-in. Fam, I love how this is coming together. The hot pink adds a fun modern vibe while the gold gives it that elegant touch. I'm also making sure that text is super clear so it catches the eye right away, because why not? So here we have it, the final product, and these boxes are ready to house my custom tumblers and make a statement when clients see them at Face by V's beauty bar. I mean, I can't wait to hear about it. This part is so satisfying. Seeing design come to life on the box makes all the brainstorming worth it. I swear.
Beating on my camera.
My food is gonna be gone.
Just beating on my camera.
All right, Royalty fam, guess what? That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed seeing the behind the scenes of my tumbler box design process. Tomorrow we'll be prepping the tumblers for customization, so stay tuned for all the details. If you love this video, don't forget to like the comment and subscribe to follow along with the rest of this journey. See y'all in the next one. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. Catch you later, Royalty fam. Bye.